Finally we found out, which appeared first? The chicken or the egg? For centuries the question has been causing dilemma. Did the chicken come first or did the egg? Going back in time, even Aristotle, the ancient Greek philosopher and scientist, was confused by the question. He, however, took the easy way out by concluding that both the chicken and the egg must have always existed. The late Stephen Hawking, often called the successor to Albert Einstein, always argued that the egg came before the chicken. Although it took scientists to figure out the right answer, we now know that the egg did in fact come before the chicken. Archaeological study shows that the oldest fossils of dinosaur eggs and embryos are about 190 million years old, and archaeopteryx fossils, which are the oldest generally accepted as birds, are only around 150 million years old. This means that birds came after eggs. Via source.